Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to be explaining about the gear lever on the AMT variant. This is the Hyundai Exter SX AMT and this is the gear lever that you get on the AMT variants. So let me explain what are all the various features and how you should be using the different modes. So we are right now in neutral, that is N. To change the mode to drive, that is when you want to drive your car, what you need to do is depress the brake pedal and put the mode to D, and then you start driving off. So this is your normal automatic mode of driving. The car does the gear shifts. Now when you want to do a manual gear shift, that is the semi-automatic mode, like a sports car, what you need to do is push the gear lever to the right, and then you can see that the plus and minus just got lit up, right? So this is a semi-automatic mode. So you can either use forward to upshift, rear to downshift. That is only available in the manual mode, that is a semi-automatic mode. It is not there in the D mode. Saw that because the car does the gear shifts. So now that's how you do the driving. You can also use the paddle shifters available on the steering wheel to change the gear when you are driving either in drive mode or in manual mode. In the drive mode, when you use the paddle shifters, you can momentarily change the gears and the car will automatically take control and change the gears automatically. But in manual mode, you can either use the gears or you can use the paddle shifters, but the car will not change the gears and the onus is on the driver to change the gears. Otherwise your engine is going to rev really hard, especially when you are at a higher speed and you are on lower gears. So please take care of that aspect. You're back to D, you're back to neutral. So here's the thing, when you don't change the gear without depressing the brake pedal, you will get a warning symbol on the instrument cluster and an alarm like this. So depressing the brake pedal is part of the fail-safe mechanism, so you don't accidentally change the gear. Now you have changed it to neutral. To shift it to R, you have to depress this button on the gear lever. Without that, you are not going to shift to the reverse. Whereas you can simply change from neutral to drive and back to neutral without depressing this button. So this button ensures you don't accidentally shift the gear lever to reverse. You are doing it intentionally. And for that, you need to press the button. You can see R lit up in red, and you can also hear the beeps from the reverse parking system. So once you're done that, you can put the car back in neutral and pull the parking brake when you're getting out of the car. That is as far as the gear lever on the AMT system goes.